The weather is actually perfect outside, so I have the window open for the energy. Recording everything you do is super satisfying, but it's also, you know, it takes like a lot of mental energy to like record while you're doing stuff. I don't know why, but it's so simple, like you don't even need to do anything. This customer has bought so many pieces from me, and I feel so grateful for her. If you know who you are, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Let me show you what I did. I just added this at the end of it so that it looks pretty. This is the necklace that she bought. It's called Honey Locket. It has opals. This was the other one that sold. I changed the loop. Last night when we were watching Princess Mononoke, I made this. It's so pretty. I'm getting distracted in this little corner because I wanted to show you guys all these cute things that I have here. I got this. It's so cute. This is from a dollar store. Me and my boyfriend went dollar store shopping, and it was so fun in New York. I got some origami. I got these little like leather pouches that I always want to use, but sometimes I don't know what the heck to put into them. This cute little bracelet, I'm gonna put it in here. Ooh, they're so pretty. So beautiful. It's really cool when certain people are like customers that continue to support you. Packing these orders. Okay, so let's cut it.
Nada.
You.
So if everybody comes to our side, showed me a really cool page.
I made like a stew last night, kind of a thing, with carrots, potatoes, onions, and garlic. It was like pretty much just starches. Today I added broccoli in it with chickpeas and more garlic and onions and carrots. And then I made the rice again with bone broth instead of water. And then I put avocado, olive oil, and salt afterwards. Off our package, and now we're walking to the beach, and look at this tree that we stumbled upon. It's so beautiful. I love trees. If you know, you know. Bubble time, bubble time, bubble time. Go on now. Bubble time. Bubble time.
Daddy.
Bubble time.
Daddy.
Made a tent in our house. Let's go inside. This is the tent. It feels so nostalgic in here. You can shine bright, brighter than you can see. You can shine bright, brighter than you can see. Illuminate the earth, illuminate the water, illuminate the earth and illuminate the water. I feel like I need this in my soul. Like this is like, feels like a ceremony or something. Like, I don't know if you guys are down with that kind of stuff. So I had to record it for you guys and for my own memory's sake, because when in doubt, just make a tent, bring your favorite things inside the tent, and it's your holy space to illuminate your power, you and your energy, to feel what sparks your joy, to feel how you feel. I kind of feels like I'm in a womb, you know? Like this feels like a womb to me. Okay, it's like 7 p.m. and I've decided to pack these orders.
What about this one here? This is a Google it.
We're in the fields! Woo! Yay!
It's so weird the way waves are crashing out there.